In this how-to, we'll explain exactly how to enter activities on the Save a New Activity tab. The Save a New Activity tab is one of the 3 tabs available to team leaders within each category. To locate this tab, click on any cornerstone, and then on any category within that cornerstone. The first tab you see is Ideas and Resources. This tab has a list of suggested activity ideas on the left side and some web resources that you can use during your activities on the right side. Should you ever have a problem coming up with an idea for an activity, you can always come back to this tab to get the creative juices flowing. The next tab over is the Save a New Activity tab. Now pay close attention because this is where you will spend most of your time. But once you know how to use this tab, it'll be very simple to enter your activities. So let's walk through this tab in detail. First, you see a drop-down box labeled Activity Type. Let's click on that box. You'll see words like audits and alternative energy. When entering an activity, you will want to select the activity type that best matches your activity or project. For example, if your activity involved installing solar panels at your school, you would choose alternative energy as your activity type. The next blank is labeled Activity Title. This is where you will enter the name or title your school has given the activity you are doing. For example, you might enter Green Club Solar Energy Project or Connolly High School Green Energy Project into this blank. All right, still with me? Great. Moving down one more, we have the area labeled Activity Description. This is where you will enter the objectives of your project, the resources you used, the results and outcomes of the project, and any other information that is important to this particular project. This area is very important, and the information entered into this area will be evaluated by the GRS evaluation team. So make sure you enter all the necessary information into these blanks when saving an activity. All right, now that all of those blanks are filled out, let's click on the Save New button. Once you click that button, you'll be sent to the Our Activities tab, the third of the 3 tabs. This tab will show you a list of all of the activities you have entered for this category. Should you want to edit the information you entered for an activity, just click on that activity name in the list, edit the information, and then click Save. You can also edit your activities by clicking on the name of the activity on the Activities Detail tab on the My School page. To do this, click on the big blue My School button in the left navigation bar, and then click on Activities Detail. One very important thing to note is that for the 2009-2010 school year, only team leaders can enter activities for a school or organization. A team leader may, at their discretion, provide their login information to trusted team members to enter activities. One of the exciting new features for the 2010-2011 school year is that team leaders will be able to designate anyone to enter activities for their school under their individual logins.